Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to study the projection of a plane while resting on one of its edge or one of its corner. We have studied how to draw this plane using included angle method in our previous lecture. It may be triangle, it may be square, pentagon or hexagon. So in this particular lecture or video, we are going to focus on how to draw the orientation of a plane when it rests on one of its edge or one of its corner. To begin with, we are going to study the various orientations of a plane when it rests on its edge. One of the conditions the plane has to satisfy is that the edge on which it is resting, it must be perpendicular to the plane. Let us see, in case of a triangle, when the plane is resting on its edge AB, that edge AB must be perpendicular to the plane. If square is resting on edge AB, then that edge AB is perpendicular to the plane. If pentagon is resting on its edge AB, then one of the edge of the pentagon AB that is perpendicular to the plane. And similarly, if hexagon is resting on edge AB, then an edge AB is perpendicular to the plane. Please note this orientation of the plane when they rest on its edge. Let us see what happens if the plane has to rest on one of its corners. Then the condition it has to satisfy is the line joining that corner and the centroid must be parallel to the plane. So let us check what is the change in the orientation when the triangle rests on the corner A. You will find this is the corner A and the centroid, and this line is parallel to the plane. In case of a square resting on a corner, the line joining that corner and the centroid again is parallel to the plane. Similarly, for pentagon resting on corner A, the line joining the corner and the centroid is parallel to the plane. Similar condition is applied when hexagon is resting on one of its corner. Line joining that corner and the centroid is parallel to the plane. So let us summarize all the positions of the plane when it is resting on edge. First, what is shown is a triangle, then it is a square, then pentagon resting on edge and hexagon resting on edge. We will compare these positions with the plane resting on the corner. So triangle resting on corner, square resting on corner, pentagon resting on corner and hexagon resting on corner. Please note this orientation. It is very important while drawing the initial view. The true shape of the plane must be drawn taking into consideration whether it rests on edge or rests on corner. So in the next lecture, we are going to study the planes that is inclined to HRP. Thank you. All the best.